What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This episode, SRT4, we're gonna make more progress on it. And I got some more parts in. So what I got here is a forged clutch fork, AGP, and that will replace the one that's in there. It's a factory one and it's worn out. The typical wear spots, it was worn in. So I got this. This ought to last a lot longer with a new boot and clip. Got me a new throwout bearing, and for that reason, I'm using the ACT clutch that was in this thing because I was looking at the friction disc. It's got a lot of life left in it. I'm just gonna clean up the flywheel surface and the pressure plate and just send it, man, and use it. But I had to get a specific ACT alignment toolkit for it, and I ordered that. I got some CV axle seals, and I got a Honda intake manifold gasket. I thought that was pretty funny. Honda makes SRT parts. So we got that, and we also got some silicone hoses to replace all these on this cooling routing setup. And I'm gonna be repainting the tubes to blue, and then these are black, so it ought to help it pop more. I still have to clean up the transmission and get it repainted, and then after that, we can slap it all together, and I hope to be there at the end of this episode. So let's not talk anymore. Let's go ahead and start it. All right guys, we got the ACT clutch installed. We got the transmission painted. It is time to put the clutch fork in with the throwout bearing and get this thing mated up to the engine. And from there, you know, I'll be more set to doing the routing for the hoses and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna get to that on this episode. I forgot that tomorrow is Mother's Day, so that kind of throws a wrench in things, but that's okay. Some progress is better than no progress. We're just gonna install that transmission, see what little things we could do from there, and then from then we'll do the t-shirt giveaway, guys, so stay tuned. All right guys, I moved stuff around because the time has come for me to start getting some of the key items that I need out of this chassis in order to swap it over to the other chassis. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the exhaust system and a couple of the electronics. And then from there, we'll be mounting the wheels and tires that I have, the Advans, onto the other body. And we're gonna roll it around and get it up on the lift. So let's go ahead and start ripping things apart now. Well, that was pretty difficult, but I got it out. Just took some banging, WD-40, and a lot of effort, so got it out finally. We got to move on. I need to take out some of the electrical for like the gauges and stuff, because I'm probably going to reuse those. I'm not sure, but I want them out of the chassis. And I'm just going to go over a couple things, make sure I get everything I possibly need to go into the other car, and then we'll get the other one in here. All right, so I got all the aftermarket gauges out of it. It had the AEM boost gauge and the AEM wideband sensors, so I got those out of there. I wanted to grab those while I was in the shop, so I didn't have to go through the pain of doing it with it outside. Got the hood back on it, strapped down, got the windows rolled up, and the exhaust system right here on the floor. So this thing's ready to be moved outside, but before I do that, I have to put these wheels on the car so I can move it, and then it's just a matter of musical chairs, moving this one out, moving the other one in. So let me go ahead and take care of that. I'll get back to you guys. All right, so we got the car in the bay on the lift, and I was looking some things over on the car, and it looks like they got a whole bunch of I noticed that they played, you know, they hacked the wiring inside the car. They got this relay up on the back side for the fuel pump, I believe. I don't know, and wires are chopped. So hopefully this thing isn't gonna be a pain in the ass as far as the wiring goes. I'm gonna have to figure out a lot of hacking that they did on the car and get it all fixed. And once I get the engine and everything out of this car, I'm gonna put it on a trailer, taking it back to my house and degrease and power wash everything clean so that I got a clean slate to start with. And I also noticed that the radiator core support on the bottom right here is kind of bent up. So hopefully once I get the bumper cover off and everything, I can pull it back straight for the most part and get things straightened up on the front end. And hopefully I didn't bite off more than I can chew. I want to do this thing in a timely manner, but I want to do it right. So it's one of those things, and I'm starting to feel the time crunch with everything else I got going on. So as you can tell, I'm very limited on the space inside the garage. So I'm just gonna have to do some cleaning. I'm gonna have to figure things out, how I'm gonna, you know, get everything organized to compensate for the extra engine and transmission, and find out room for that, where I'm gonna put that at and everything. And then once the Honda Civic is back from wrap, I gotta figure out, you know, placement of all that as well. So, you know, I'm starting to feel it, man. I'm starting to feel the pressure, and it's real. So hopefully we can get these things done in a timely manner. But we made good progress on this. I'm gonna cut this episode short on this, but we're gonna go back to my shop. We're in the shop. We're gonna go back to my house, and we're going to do the t-shirt giveaway. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right, guys, the time has come to give away those 2 free t-shirts. So I got everybody who has entered in, and we're going to select two winners. So let's go ahead and roll. I'm gonna have to keep my finger nearby to keep the screen open. Last time it cut off right when it was selecting the second winner. So let's see who's gonna win the first one. Don, you are the first winner of the t-shirts. Eli Moss. Don and Eli Moss, congratulations. Y'all have each won an Import Modified t-shirt. Wear it well. And if you entered and have not won a t-shirt yet, now is your chance to enter the next keyword in the comments section down below, and that is #progress, because I gotta make progress, guys. But go ahead, enter that keyword in the comment down below, and those of y'all that won, go ahead and send me a message on my Instagram, Import Modify, with your address, and I'll send those t-shirts out to y'all ASAP with tracking numbers. And the requirements for winning these t-shirts is 1, you have to enter that comment down below. 2, you have to be a subscriber. And 3, you have to give this video a thumbs up. So thank you guys very much for watching this episode. I appreciate y'all that have been returning and, you know, entering the comments down and entering for these t-shirts. It means a lot to me for you guys to be watching my channel, trying to grow this thing, and, you know, it is what it is. So I like to do this just to show a little bit of respect to you guys. And once we're done with these t-shirts, I'm probably gonna have like some what do you call those, keychain tags made, and we'll give away some of those, or I might do some SRT t-shirts. Y'all let me know. Anyway, we're all done on this episode, guys. Next episode, we'll just pick up where I left off and make more progress. And hopefully, you know, this SRT doesn't pose too much of a problem for me to get it done. So anyway, that's all I got. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Peace out, guys.